Chapter 4 Activities using a keyboard. Topics covered: Caps Lock key, Arrow keys, Delete key, Backspace key, Shift key. Types of keyboard. Tips to use the keyboard safely. A keyboard generally has 104 keys. Some keyboards may have more and some may have even less than 104 keys. As we type, a blinking line moves to the right. This blinking line on the screen is called the cursor. Let us revise about some keys already learned. Alphabet keys help us in typing alphabets or text. Number keys help us in typing numeric or numbers. We can also call them numeric keys. Spacebar key is used to give spaces between the text. It is the longest key. Enter key is used to bring the cursor to the next line on the monitor. Let us now learn about some more keys on a keyboard. Caps Lock key. When we type, words appear in small letters. But which key allows us to write text in capital letters? Yes, it is the Caps Lock key. First press on the Caps Lock key. A small light on the keyboard turns on. Now, again press the Caps Lock key. The light on the keyboard is now off. Type the words again and see the difference. Arrow keys. Arrow keys are a group of keys on the keyboard that help to move the cursor on the monitor screen. They are also known as cursor control keys. The arrows or the cursor control keys show the direction in which the cursor can be moved by pressing that key. The cursor can be moved in any of the 4 directions: left, right, up and down. Delete key. The delete key erases anything that is typed to the right of the cursor. Let us understand this with the help of an example. I have typed computer incorrectly as computer. To correct this mistake, bring the cursor after T and press delete key. Backspace key. The backspace key when pressed erases text to the left side of the cursor. Let us understand this with the help of an example. I have typed computer incorrectly as. To correct this mistake, bring the cursor after incorrect M and press the backspace key. Now, type P at its place. Shift key. We can see some keys with 2 characters on them. For example, 8 greater than. When we press 8, we will get 8 on the monitor. To type the character asterisk, follow these steps. A. Press and hold the shift key. Though, press Alt asterisk. We will get asterisk on the monitor. Similarly, we can use the shift key with the other keys having 2 characters. We can also use the shift key to type in capital letters. For example, types of a keyboard. Keyboard can be of 2 types. 1. Wired keyboard. Wired keyboards are directly connected to CPU using a wire externally. It looks exactly like a typewriter. It contains an arrangement of buttons which make the typing easy. When one of the keyboard button is pressed, an electric circuit is closed and the keyboard sends a signal to the computer which tells whether it is number, alphabet or symbol. 2. Wireless keyboard. Wireless keyboard can be used from far away distance within a range. Tips to use the keyboard safely. Using a keyboard safely help us avoid pain in our hands, wrist and arms. Here are some of the tips we should follow if we use computer for a long period of time. 1. Always place the keyboard at the elbow level. 2. Avoid resting the palm or wrist on any surface while typing. 3. Take short breaks from computer in every 15-20 minutes. 4. When we are not typing, relax the arms and hands.